Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to change the oil on an E30 BMW. So today what you will need is a 3421 Bosch oil filter, 4 quarts of Castrol GTX 20 weight 50, that's just a quart, I have more, and then some gloves and a 17 millimeter metric wrench or socket. One of the first steps is finding where your oil drain plug is going to be. So in the E30, I'm on the passenger side. It is right underneath this skid plate, right behind it, and that is the oil drain plug. It's a 17 millimeter bolt, and it'll come out with either a wrench or a socket. So what I'm going to need right now is a 17 millimeter wrench, and something to catch the oil in. So now you have your oil drain plug, and this is actually an 18 metric wrench. It's 18 millimeter, and now it should just come off, but be prepared for the overspray of the old stuff. So it turns out you actually need the 18. I said 17, but I was wrong. And here's your drain plug. You just keep going back and forth. And make sure you have this oil pan lined up for all the pressured oil that comes out. Alright, so now, since you've loosened it enough, it should just start coming out. Have this lined up. Now make sure you adjust your drain plan for all the overspill that will come, because after time it won't be as pressured, it won't shoot out as far. Now the oil filter is down here behind the headers, and so it can be a little bit annoying to have to undo, but it's basically just twisting, and it'll be a little bit messy, so have a rag on standby and your oil pan or drain pan underneath there. Here's the old oil filter, and here's the new one. Now it's important on the new O-ring right here to take some of the oil that you got on your fingers and through draining the oil pan, and you want to put it on this O-ring to lubricate it. So now it's time to add some more oil. Now you're going to take your oil. I use Castrol GTX SE 20 weight 50. You're going to want a funnel because you don't want to be spilling it all over the engine bay, and a paper towel to pick up some spills. Now here we have our oil, and we're just adding, this is the first quart. It needs 4.25 quarts. So you can pick this up at your local AutoZone. Add it fairly slowly. And just do this 4 more times. So I just finished putting my 4th quart in, and I need to put 1 more quarter in. So it has these nice markings, 1/4, 1/2, 3/4. We're gonna go down to the 3/4 line. Just a little more. There we go. So after you put the cap back on, we're going to start it up. Let it run for about 2 minutes so all the oil can cycle through the filter and everything. I mean, it sounds pretty bad because there is a pretty bad muffler on this, but I'm gonna get it changed out, probably get a MagnaFlow or something like that. And the oil pressure light might come on because at first there's no oil, and you're gonna need to be able to get the oil through everywhere. So let it run for just a couple of minutes. Now it's been running for a little bit, so I'm going to shut it off, and we're going to check the dipstick. I don't know if you guys can see, but it seems pretty full. I'm going to wipe this down.